Escape the ordinary and embrace the spirit of adventure with the 2024 Volkswagen T7 California. This reimagined campervan seamlessly blends modern comforts with boundless freedom, transforming every journey into an unforgettable escapade. Are you ready to embark on limitless adventures with the 2024 Volkswagen T7 California? The 2024 Volkswagen T7 California is the latest iteration of the iconic camper van, renowned for its blend of comfort, practicality, and adventure-ready spirit. This new generation takes the T7 California to new heights, offering a revamped design, enhanced features, and a choice of powertrains to suit diverse needs. The T7 California's exterior boasts a sleek and modern silhouette, retaining the classic camper van charm. Its spacious interior, equipped with a pop-up roof and 2 sliding doors, provides ample living space for up to 6 occupants. The convertible rear bench transforms into a comfortable bed, while the well-equipped kitchen area caters to your culinary needs on the go. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or seeking weekend getaways, the T7 California is your perfect companion. The 2024 T7 California offers a range of powertrain options to suit your driving preferences. Choose from the efficient 2.0 LTDI diesel engine, the powerful 2.0 LTSI gasoline engine, or the groundbreaking 1.5 LTSI PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, engine for eco-conscious adventures. With all-wheel drive available for the PHEV variant, you can confidently tackle any terrain, from city streets to rugged campsites. The T7 California is more than just a camper van, it's a passport to unforgettable experiences. With its comfortable accommodations, versatile features, and choice of powertrains, it's ready to take you wherever your wanderlust leads. The starting price for the 2024 Volkswagen T7 California in the US is estimated to be over $93,790, reflecting its premium features and capabilities.